we finally have our PPA. Dream product manufacturing is solar powered. So yung buong facility nila, manufacturing nila is completely solar powered. So right now, katulad ngayon, makikita natin, 0.00 kilowatt power ang kinukonsume niya from Meralco, from the distribution utility. Instead, Dream product buys their electricity at a cheaper rate from Ensky. Because we've financed the whole solar installation in their manufacturing plant. Now they're capable of purchasing cheaper electricity. So hopefully by 2026, our company shakes hands with company owners, manufacturing companies that consume a lot of electricity. Tapos, shake hands, we make good friends with them, we build a strong relationship. Now we can actually invest in their business na ma-offer natin yung cheaper electricity for them. Because you know what, Ensky, we've been in the solar industry for 12 years already. And alam na namin yan, kabisado na namin yung tibok ng puso ng mga inverter at batteries at solar panels. So what better way to partner with a company like us for you to hedge your investment, your cost of electricity, na, 12 pesos na lang tayo, 10 piso na lang tayo, okay? Siyempre, those rates and yung mga specific details ng PPA agreement with us, dinidiscuss natin yan together with the manufacturer. So the owners, depends on the scale and all those details. If you're interested in getting your business cheaper electricity, guys, message me, give us a call. If you're consuming 50 to 100,000 pesos on electricity per month, let us know, okay? So lalagay ito dito, nakastick, nakadikit yan dyan nawala. But here, yung PPA agreements namin are not only grid tie systems, but also with batteries. So, guess what? Tuwing mga tough situations ng bansa natin, mga calamities, pag walang kuryente, Dream product, may kuryente kayo. We're gonna power all of the critical loads that you need. So yon. Hope you guys learned from this video, and we'll see you guys in another video.